So now Charlie, along with Daniel and Tyrone, will demonstrate the use of guide tones in improvisation. As you listen to his solo, pay attention to the distribution of guide tones within his lines. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Charlie, so tell us about your solo and the use of guide tones.
Yeah, well, I was thinking about following, these guide tones that are laid throughout the melody. It's very clear. The first bar starts on an A, which is the third, and then the first note in the second bar is an A flat, which is the minor 7. So the voice leading's there in the melody. I just wanted to follow it and find interesting ways to connect each note to the next note.
Yeah, it was very effective, especially in the second chorus, when you started to be a little bit more creative with your guide tones, and you use different arpeggiation ideas, and you would land on the guide tone of the underlying chord. So that was very effective, and the underlying harmonies were clearly projected in your lines, and your point about the voice reading that already exists in the tune is especially well taken, because you can derive these voice reading structures or voice reading paradigms, if you will, from the tune itself. If you elaborate your line, if this is your structural line between measures 1 and 2, and going back to the major third of E flat, if you start elaborating and making sure that you come back to these notes at metrically strong positions, you start using the techniques that we've talked about earlier of rhythmic anticipation, anticipating these guide tones in your lines, your lines will be all the more stronger.